So for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a simple shape using CapCut. So first, let's go to text, add a default text, and then delete mo to, and then add space. After you add space, i-increase mo yung font size. Yan, increase mo siya. Then after that, scroll down ka dito pa rin sa basic text. What do I mean basic text is nandito ka sa text and then yung basic section. So scroll down, makikita mo doon yung background. Add some background color. So choose whatever you want. Ako red. Pipiliin ko yung red or purple. Anything that you want. And after that, ayan, may purple solid color na tayo. Okay? Remember, add default text, space, and then zoom mo yung or increase mo yung size ng font, yung space mismo. Then choose background. Scroll down mo dun sa basic. And then, after mo malagyan ng color, i-compound mo yung clip. What do I mean by compound? Is ilalak. Kumbaga ilalak natin yung asset natin. So, to do that, just click Alt plus G. Ayan. So, nalock na natin siya. So, meron na tayong solid purple rectangle. You can use it like that if gumagawa ka ng rectangle. But if you are looking for another shape like circle, click mo yung clip, then punta ka sa video, then mag-add ka ng mask. Add mask. Kung gusto mo ng square, nandito yung square. Kung gusto mo ng circle, nandito yung circle. Stars, heart, T, kung anong color ang gusto mo, or kung anong text. Bari, yung pangalan ko, Aline, naging purple na siya. But, wala siyang bearing kasi pwede mo siyang gawin dun sa text. Anyway, kung gusto mo ng ibang color like this, ibang shape na pwede mong gawin, ayan, pwede ka naman dito. Ayan, ganyan. So, i-ano mo lang siya, i-explore mo lang yung mask. Makakagawa ka na ng shape na gusto mo. Then, yun lang. I hope you learned something. Bye!